JORCAR Titanium combines industrial technology and technical expertise to transform recycled titanium into advanced additive manufacturing solutions. Previously produced titanium powder is loaded into the feeding system of our 3D printer, ready for the production process. The operator installs the material container in the machine and performs the required safety and precision adjustments. Manufacturing begins using SLM technology, selectively melting the powder layer by layer with a high-precision laser. Once printing is completed, the chamber is opened and the first inspections of the manufactured assembly are carried out. The finished parts remain fixed to the build plate, ensuring dimensional stability during the process. Unfused powder is recovered and the parts are separated from the base support using dedicated cutting equipment. The manufactured parts move to the next finishing stage. Through controlled vibratory finishing with ceramic media, surface roughness is improved and final finish is optimized. Different examples of titanium components with complex geometries and high precision are displayed. Green titanium 3D, from recycled titanium to the final part.